Some people claim that not enough of the waste from homes is recycled. They say that the only way to increase recycling is for governments to make it a legal requirement. To what extent do you think laws are needed to make people recycle more of their waste? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words.
Different societies have varied approaches when it comes to recycling waste from homes. Some places do not have proper recycling infrastructure in place, while others have introduced laws to make it a requirement for people to recycle items. This debate centers on whether laws are needed to achieve higher levels of waste recycling. In my view, laws can help encourage people to recycle more, but other measures should also be put in place. Laws can provide an effective incentive for residents to change their behavior. As an example, when Australia introduced the Containers for Change scheme, which required a rebate to be claimed on the return of eligible containers, the return rate in the state of Queensland increased from 10% to 76% in 3 months. Here, we can see that laws were effective in changing behavior. On the other hand, laws alone cannot bring about the desired changes in attitude. This is because a law does not ensure compliance, nor does it guarantee that people will learn why recycling is beneficial. Laws also carry the risk of violating an individual's freedom if they are too restrictive. Therefore, governments should look to other solutions, such as providing education about recycling and promoting its advantages, as well as moral incentives to get people to recycle. Organizing campaigns and exhibitions highlighting the benefits and importance of recycling would help people understand why they need to recycle. Therefore, investing in social awareness will be more effective in encouraging people to recycle than using legislation. My own experience also demonstrates that a combination of laws and moral incentives can be more successful when it comes to improving the recycling rate. In my own city, the local government introduced heavy fines for people who failed to recycle as well as reward points for those who did. Together, these measures not only provided a legal requirement but also offered a positive outcome for those who recycled. As a result, there has been a steady increase in the recycling rate in my city since the laws were introduced. In conclusion, laws can go a long way toward making people recycle more of their waste, but they should be enforced in tandem with moral incentives and public awareness campaigns to bring about long-term behavior change.